Alright gang, so this is going to be another one take. Sorry for the crappy video over in Ohio the other day. It was just, I felt obligated to put an update video out, especially since I was traveling. Once again, we're traveling this weekend. We're doing the annual Maine trip. So it should be a good video once I get it done, but I just haven't had the time to fully edit or construct a whole video in the last like 2 months. I haven't, I got the... Anyway, yeah, it's going to be a great trip. I wish I could just go live, but YouTube's policies are just being really finicky ever since they changed everything around a couple months ago. But if you guys want to see anything, or, I don't know, I guess shout outs or something, just leave it in the comments under this video. I'll try and make this a clickbait-esque thumbnail, so people actually view it. So, yeah guys, stay tuned. Should be a cool edit coming out. Let me see if I can get one out for Sunday into Monday. Try for every Friday, but it doesn't always work out. Guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is for Sean. Peace.